Hello everyone, welcome back once again in the channel. Definitely I hope that you have been doing well और आप बेहतर से बेहतर efforts दे रहे होंगे as I think now. Now before starting the simple past, I would like to start with the quote of the day. Success depends on hard work. Success depends on hard work. अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करते हैं सफलता आपको जरूर मिलेगा. There is no doubt, no confusion, no question. So believe in it and definitely you try your best to give. तो एक बार अगर हम मेहनत कर लें तो डेफिनेटली क्या है, रिजल्ट इज बाउंड टू कम. आई होप प्रेजेंट ऑलरेडी वी हैव फिनिश्ड. आप लोगों को अच्छी तरह से क्लियर हो गया होगा, कोई डाउट नहीं होगा. लाइक दैट. Similarly, we should start the new topic now. Simple past. Again, past tense has been divided into 4 parts. Before it, what is a past tense? Work started in the past. जो काम past में हुआ उसे क्या कहेंगे हम? Past tense. Example, सीधे example. मैंने बच्चों को पढ़ाया, वे लोग बाजार गए, आप लोग लंदन से वापस आ गए. तो ये सारा का सारा वर्क, सारा एक्टिविटी किस टेंस में है? सिंपल पास्ट. Now let us see here simple past. Again, past tense has been divided into 4 parts. First, simple past. Another name of simple past is past indefinite. Second, present past continuous or past incomplete or past imperfect or past progressive tense. Third, past perfect tense. Fourth, past perfect continuous tense. Today we are starting here. सिंपल पास्ट मीन्स वर्क स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट. जो काम पास्ट में हो गया मीन्स मैंने बच्चों को पढ़ाया. आई टॉट चिल्ड्रेन, दे केम बैक फ्रॉम द मार्केट, वी एट मैंगोज. सो दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सिंपल पास्ट. क्वेश्चन इज अगेन हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई. इट्स आइडेंटिफिकेशन बेसिकली इज या, ये, ई इन हिंदी. ये पहचान कैसे करें इसका? तो जिस वर्ड के लास्ट में या, ये, ई, जैसे मैंने बच्चों को पढ़ाया, वे लोग बाजार गए, लड़कियां गाना गाई. सो दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सिंपल पास्ट. Positive form, subject plus V2. V2 means the second form of a verb. V2 means the second form of a verb. Then object. Negative form, subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus object. Interrogative form, did plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. WH interrogative, once again WH family plus did plus subject plus V1 plus object question mark. Remember, after using of did, V2 becomes V1. did लगने के बाद V2 क्या है? हमेशा V1 हो जाता है. सीधे एग्जांपल, मैंने बच्चों को पढ़ाया, I taught children. Negative form, I did not teach. Second form of verb, taught converts into first form, means teach. I did not teach children. Did I teach children? Question mark. And again WH family, why, any example can be put. What are the who, what, when, how, where, which, why. So these are the examples of WH family. Now here let us see here, why did I teach children? Question mark. So one can frame lots of examples, lots of sentences on the basis of these rules. तो एक बार अगर रूल्स अच्छी तरह से क्लियर है then definitely it is 100% correct to say you can frame lots of sentences और एक भी सेंटेंस गलत नहीं होगा. Now let us see here once again. Now let us see here, after using of did, V2 becomes V1. हमेशा always remember, did लगने के बाद V2 V1 हो जाता है. Always be clear about it. There is no question, no confusion. जैसे मैंने बच्चों को पढ़ाया, I taught children. I did not teach. I did not teach. did लगने के बाद V2 V1 में कन्वर्ट होता है. Let us see here. After using of did, V2 becomes V1. Now did is common to all. यहां did सबके साथ है. Suppose I did, we did, you did, you did, they nouns did, he, she, it or singular noun did. So it's common, no need to make the table. यहाँ टेबल बनाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि everything is common, we need to follow it. ये common rules है. Now use of did, हम did का use कहाँ करें? तो again the same thing, to make a negative sentence, to make an interrogative sentence and to stress on something. जो simple present tense के use of do और does का सेम रूल यहाँ है. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस, एवरीथिंग इज कॉमन. वहां प्रेजेंट था और यहाँ पास्ट टेंस, नथिंग एल्स. यूज टू और वुड, अब हमेशा ये याद रखना है, रिमेंबर यूज टू किसके साथ लगेगा? यूज टू और वुड बेसिकली इट इज ऑलवेज यूज्ड इन द सिंपल पास्ट. ये किस टेंस में यूज होता है? हमेशा सिंपल पास्ट में यूज होता है और नथिंग एल्स. सपोज I used to or would help the needy persons when I had health. जब मेरे पास धन था, दौलत था, तो मैं गरीबों को मदद या जरूरतमंद को मदद किया करता था. मीन्स टॉकिंग ऑफ द पास्ट. All these things are referring here the past activity. तो used to या would हमेशा वहां होगा जहां सिंपल पास्ट हो, नथिंग एल्स. तो इस तरह से सिंपल पास्ट का ये कॉमन रूल है दैट वी नीड टू लर्न, नीड टू रिवाइज, नीड टू डू मोर प्रैक्टिस. जितना से जितना हो सके प्रैक्टिस करो, रिवाइज करो और सेंटेंस को फ्रेम करो और साइड बाय साइड कीप ऑन स्पीकिंग एंड प्रेजेंटिंग योर व्यूज on the basis of tense in the class. It has become more compulsory. Thank you. Past continuous. Now next part is past continuous, means work was going on in the past. जो काम past में चल रहा था. जैसे मैं बच्चों को अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रहा था, आप लोग गाना गा रहे थे, वे लोग स्कूल से वापस आ रहे थे. So these are the examples of past continuous. And there is a little bit difference. Present continuous में है और past continuous में था. This is the difference, nothing else. Rest is same. Positive form subject plus was were plus V1 plus ing plus object. Negative form subject plus was were plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. Interrogative form was were plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object. Question mark. So these are the rules written on the board. Keep on writing and revising, memorizing and using. So the more you do practice, the more you become confident. जो जितना practice करेगा, definitely confidence level उतना ही high होगा, and thereafter there will be no doubt and completely the sentence will be correct and accurate. Now let us see here the use of was or were. हम was कहाँ लगाएंगे और were कहाँ लगाएंगे? Now let us see here and use it. Now let us see here, before discussing the table, हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं WH इंट्रोगेटिव फॉर्म. WH इंट्रोगेटिव फॉर्म क्या है यहाँ पे? तो WH फैमिली, as you know, was were as V1 ing object, the same thing, there is no doubt, no confusion. WH family, who, what, when, where, which, why, how. So these are the WH family. Then was and were, then subject, then V1 ing object, question mark. Common rules here: first person speaker like me, second person listener like you, third person about whom I discuss, what I discuss, tense. Now I, let us see here the use of was or were. कहाँ was लगता है? I was, be clear about it too. I was, you were, we were, you were, they nouns were. See, quite easy. तो I was, he she it was. याद करने का तरीका क्या है? I के साथ हमेशा was लगता है, we के साथ, he she it नाउन के साथ हमेशा was, we, you, they nouns were. सिंपल रूल. और इस तरह से learn करें, revise करें, and then definitely the sentence will become more clear. See the example, I was speaking English, I was not speaking English, was I speaking English? You were inviting them, you were not inviting them, you were reading the book, you were not reading the book, were you reading the book? So these are the table rules. On the basis of these rules and usage of was and were, one can easily frame the sentence without any hesitation, without any problem, and there will be lots of sentences can be formed. तो इस तरह से हम आसानी से टेंस को फ्रेम करेंगे. Then definitely whatever you want to express, either in the form of speaking or in the form of writing, you can present your views accurately, correctly, and without any confusion. So must keep on doing, must keep on learning, and must revise again and again and try to communicate. So keep on watching the video. Thanks for your support.